years. I'm working in Gulf. I'm working in Gulf only. So right now I'm working as a BIM coordinator. So I have MEP division. I'm working on it.
Okay, good. That's it. Enough. Chandramouli, now.
Good evening, everybody. I am Chandramouli. I am working in Hitachi in Abu Dhabi. Presently working on Etihad Rails project. I have 20 plus of years experience. Basically, I am from MEP background. Thank you.
Thank you. Great. So two Abu Dhabi guys. Then next one, Girish. Someone.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Girish Kunigad, and I'm working as a PIM coordinator in Abu Dhabi. And I have 11 years of experience in Revit. And I want to transition into an automation role.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Now,
Thank you for
good. Now, next introduction should be end with a, every line should be end with a dot. For example, I'll tell, I'll introduce myself. My name is Kumar. Dot experience, like Kumar dot 14 dot my designation director dot, and that's it. So your name, put a dot. Okay, so there is a reason behind this kind of an introduction. Please, let's change the pitch. Okay, Sarvana, your name, your company, your experience, and that's it. Okay, come on, everyone, with a dot strategy. Come on. Come on.
We need to give introductions.
Just for 3 more minutes. Come on.
Okay, so I can start. My name is Abhishek, and I have around 6 years of experience, and I work with
dot
WSP
Abhishek dot 6 years dot WSP dot.
I work with WSP ACOM, and currently I'm working in ALEC as a senior BIM specialist.
Very good. Dot. Fine. Next one.
I'm Chandramouli. Dot. I have 20 years experience. Dot. I'm working in Hitachi. Dot. I'm working as a BIM coordinator. Dot. Thank you.
Okay. Actually, here I'm working as a, my name is, these kind of, sentence, the complete sentence isn't required. Your name dot experience dot. Okay. That is the style. Okay. So why we follow this strategy? The dot, we are going to end our entire training with a dot notation strategy, not level 1, level 2. Okay, so if you want to become an expert in any programming languages, you should be very good at dot programming. Okay, so what do you mean by dot? It is just like a path. Okay, so we have a element hierarchy, Revit element hierarchy. Anyone knows like what is a Revit element hierarchy? Does anyone know what is a Revit element hierarchy? Can you see my screen?
Am I late or it is started?
Nothing started. Nothing. We're going to start in next minute, in 1 minute. Okay. I'm actually online since if anyone are facing issues. Okay, I'm here to check. Okay, no, not actually facing any issues. So come on. Oh.
Actually, now I can try remembering it. It's like family category, family type, and it's faded away. That's the basic question in interviews.
Hmm.
That's how I should remember.
Just a minute. Venkat Yadav. Is the guy? Where is the- Okay, perfect. So one person is missing, Mr. Venkat Yadav. Hope everyone received the links. Okay. Okay, fine. So anyone else? See, actually, Revit element hierarchy. Let's take this. Let's take this. So category dot family dot type dot instance. So this is the way we generally read, and this is the way we place VN. Okay. So the entire, if you are very good at dot notation strategy, trust me, you can handle most of the things. Seriously. Okay. Well, let me introduce myself. Do you need my introduction or not required? Do you need my introduction? Would be great if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
already,
Yes,
you
it
know.
will be better.
Huh?
Yes, you
Okay.
can tell. It will good.
Okay. Fine. So my name is Kumar. Okay. No, my name is Kumar. Dot. Have total 14 plus years of experience in this BIM industry. I mean, by this September, October, it's already 15 now. So 15 years of experience in this industry. And when it comes to the automation, I've been using since 2015. So first 2 years, it is completely like a chupa chupa R&D. So if you ignore that 16 and 17, from 17 to 2025. So almost 8 years of experience, 8 years of exact knowledge I'm about to transfer to you in the next coming 30, 45 days. Okay, I'm just like transferring my complete knowledge with you guys. I don't know whether you will be able to digest it or not. Okay, see, but one thing I'm expecting from everyone, a proper attendance. Guys, a proper attendance. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Very, very important because you are not learning, you know, a set of tool which helps Revit or something. You are going to learn a visual programming. I'm not teaching you Dynamo here. I'm teaching you a concept called visual programming. Visual programming. Okay, so this visual programming is going to implement in many applications, in many places. Complete. I teach, for the salespeople as well, like a person who have done their MBA and who wants to, explore the entire business ideas, the business idea. So there is a platform which I generally teach in a visual programming again. Okay, so you are going to handle many things with this visual programming itself, and it's very, very simple. Frankly, uh, when I why others, especially when I talk to you, most of you, conveyed your, sort of a scariness, like fear. Like Rajesh, I don't know anything about coding. Can I able to understand this? Okay, I promised many people here that it's very, very simple. Okay, I don't want to scare and train and nothing. Frankly, it's very, very simple. Okay, I'm not doing that kind of an idiot business since I know this is very simple tool, but only thing is you should know the proper uh, direction. Okay, so I have started my training profession in 2018 when I joined Omnix in Dubai. Okay, but I was already, a person who used to train the people on the Revit, and I got my instructor certification in 2019. 2019, like Omnix itself, they helped me to, many struggles. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor. And then I have taught almost like 300 to 400 people when I was working for Omnix. And the pandemic has changed many things. Even I was decided to start my own firm. And the first, when I started this Bimera, it is an outsourcing company. It's an outsourcing company. Okay. So while I'm sending some candidates, I know there is a huge competition at that time. uh, because instead of 4 people, we used to send the companies, we needed more people actually at the time of COVID. I hope you are already aware of it. Okay. So some companies have removed the people, some companies hide the candidates, for better production. Okay. So I was started my Bimera is actually an outsourcing company. Then later I found there are a few companies who are actually looking for automation people since I'm an expert in it. So I've started the training for a few candidates and place them. Then actually most of the companies, just give me a minute. Most of the companies actually, they're not able to send the candidates for into this automation side. So I used to give a business to the people who are actually looking for the Revit candidates, and they used to help me with the uh, Revit automation candidates. Okay, I mean, if there is any requirement, they used to send their candidate profiles, and then I do train them and placing them into the companies. Okay, so this is how our Bimera journey has started, and it's been almost 7 years. I've trained 2,000 plus candidates so far. Last batch it was 48. Unfortunately, I mean, we have recently started another firm, which is ads on truck. I mean, which is like uh, ads on, advertisements on trucks. The entire Vishakhapatnam, like we are dealing with. Okay, so I couldn't able to focus on the marketing side. I don't have a chance to put an investment on. But most of you come here through mouth publicity only. Okay, someone referred you. Okay, like this. So I'm expecting this training would be more beneficial for you. Not expecting it will be. So to make it happen, it's not in my hands completely. So I need your support till the end of. Understand? So I don't want to listen anything that Rajesh, I couldn't do a practice. I couldn't finish this. Spend some time and trust me, when it comes to uh, the support, I'll be the best. There is no doubt. Even though you reached out to me after 5 years, the management try to provide you the solution, at least the voice note. Understand? Okay. Well, at the same time, I'm not, a person who expects some respect from you as a trainer or something. Okay, treat me like your brother. You just text me, bro, something. Okay, be friendly and gain more knowledge. This is not a free training. You're paying almost like 45,000. It isn't a small thing. Understand? Okay. So you have rights to, harass me, especially when it comes to the knowledge. If I'm not sharing anything, then you have rights to hold my collar. Understand? Okay. So one thing I need your, I don't want even whether you're practicing or not, doesn't matter. But I want you be there in the training every day. Generally, the way I teach one concept, I can finish the same concept in 30 minutes, but I'm wasting your 1.5 hour. It means the same concept I can teach for 30 minutes, but I'm teaching you for 1.5 hour. It means I'm killing your 1 hour. It is to to provide more examples on the same topic. Understand? So it doesn't need your practice at all. Seriously, not need a practice. But if you really could practice, or else after you will be receiving after the training, if you receive what do you say that videos, you can write a notes. Don't write a notes while I was teaching here. Okay, while I'm teaching here. Clear, bro?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So be friendly. Just give me a minute. Let me check if anyone are facing issues. Okay, yeah, she's here. Okay. No, Samuel, it is only for one day. Bharati, she is here. And we have girls in this training. So, well, I mean, generally, if it's completely a bachelor training, it's something different. But we have some girls. Show some respect while we speaking. No, not kind of different kind of words. Okay, even of course, I'm very friendly. But I mean, if I'm speaking by mistakenly, so correct me. Okay. So that's it. So everyone are here. Okay, fine. I have total 7+ years of experience in this teaching industry, and we have developed almost 250 plus add-ins. 250 plus add-ins. They're very, very complicated. Not Buddha Buddha one, I'm not counting, they are unlimited. Okay. I mean, if I sit for 10-15 minutes, I can finish an add-in. I mean, the one where you are exactly looking for any elements overlapping on another duct or clashing with another elements. These are Buddha Buddha stuff. Very simple add-ons. Okay. So we'll discuss whenever we have less people. I mean, if there are less students in any of our sessions, then we'll not discuss any kind of a training content. We'll discuss some fun part with the what is happening in the industry. Is it clear? Clear, bro?
Sir,
You wanna
lately
say?
join हुआ sir.
Sorry?
I joined lately.
No, the training isn't started. Don't worry. I'm just giving my introduction, Hemant. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so fine. Why we have actually this training supposed to start from Monday, but I want you to practice this weekend. That's the reason I've started this Thursday. So Thursday and Friday we have 2 day session, and the concepts that I'm going to teach you there, it's a heart of this entire training. If you don't understand this 2 days training, if you need extension for the same topic, guys, you don't hesitate to ask. We can extend. Guys, clear? We can extend. Stop video. We can extend this training. Okay, I mean the particular concept. If you're really not able to understand that particular concept, we can extend. Guys, I'm telling you again and again. Clear? Okay.
Okay, Rajesh.
So
Fine.
we don't have any time limit for our training, first of all. So actually this training is supposed to finish in 30 days as planned. But in case if it's crossing 30 days, no problem. Crossing 60 days, no problem. You should go with the complete knowledge in and out. That's it. Clear? Clear? So there are
Yes.
few topics which are very, very important that you have to be focused on. The first one is data types. The first one is data types. You have to understand this concept very, very, clearly, because a node, for example, if I pick a node, if I pick a particular node, see, this node is actually expecting two different types. This one will be a different data type, and this one will be a different data type. Okay. If I have total 2,50,000 nodes, 30,000, 2,30,000 nodes are there. So 30,000 nodes. Okay, I just had ice cream, so I'm a bit stammering. Okay, so don't take it. Okay, well, so I can't, control myself if I have, if seen some ice creams. Okay, well, I don't have any junk food except ice cream. Okay, fine. So data types, okay, we have to understand for all these 2,30,000 nodes, we have to understand every node expect at least one or two inputs. This is expecting two inputs to be connected. And who has to connect? You, correct? So to connect, it's going to give you some sort of a hints here itself. And that hint, one of the hint is data type. Okay. And the second one is very complicated topics I'm discussing about node finding. Node finding. So what do you mean by node finding? Rajesh, I want to create sheets. Which node will help me? Node finding. I want to make wall openings. I want to place 1,000 lighting fixtures. Do we have any set of nodes? I wanna, control the entire piping system with the exact slopes. How to control? If I just want to convert all the lines into the ducts, do I have any set of nodes? Yes, we have for luckily we have solution for all the scripts I'm going to explain. I've discussed now. Okay, so the only thing is you have to find, and I want you to do the best R&D in node finding. I don't want you to do any stupid R&D apart from this. Guys, clear? No need to do any stupid R&D. Simple. Node finding is the best part. Once you found the node, how do you luckily found a node, and now the problem is understanding the nodes. Understanding the nodes. Okay, how to understand the node? There are some strategies you have to, within the same node, there are total 13 areas. It's going to help you with different information. Understand? So you have to understand very, very clearly. So on a node, you have to spend at least, this happens only initially, but once you become expert, you don't need all this. Generally, if you are learning the car driving, initially the instructions given by the driver uh, looks very crazy. I don't know how many of you experience this. Generally, correct. But once you are able to control this entire align, I mean, the level, alignments and everything, like the distance and the gear system, the brake system and the accelerate system. So, I mean, with a subconscious mind, you can control everything without any, hesitations, right? Even though when it comes to not only here, everywhere, but when it comes to the coding, I understand this is very new to you. I'm not trying to scare you in the day one itself. I'm telling you the facts where you have to be more focused on. Understand? Okay, understanding the nodes. It's very, very simple. Okay, fine. Connecting the inputs. Connecting the inputs. Connecting the right inputs. Connecting the correct inputs. And finding connecting nodes. That's it. That's it, dynamos. Nothing else. Okay, this is entire a loop, bro. So once I found a node here, there are different six strategies to find a node. So Bimara has a different style to explain you. There is the last strategy. So with that strategy, you will never say that I couldn't found this node. Seriously not. Okay, fine. So understanding the nodes. So finally, I placed a node and what it is actually expecting and what it is actually returning. Okay, that's understanding. And then connecting the inputs. Once you understood, you should connect the exact data to this. How? From where should I bring the data? From which node I supposed to bring this data? From which node I supposed to bring the data and connect to this? Fine. Then finding the connecting nodes. After I connected exactly the two things which is expecting, how to proceed further? Connecting nodes. From here, again the same process. To do this, node finding, understanding the particular node, connecting the inputs. Again, connecting node. So this loop repeats continuously, nothing else. So in the entire training program, we are going to learn for 25,000 that I'm teaching you how to understand one Buddha node. That's it. Seriously, I'm not teaching you anything new. Okay. So let's discuss this in detail later. First thing is, let's focus on the data types because third day, I'm going to give you some assignments. I mean, on second day, I mean, tomorrow. So you at least you have to finish 5 scripts out of it. Guys, are you clear? Are you clear? Okay. Clear. And
Yes.
they're very, very simple. I know, very, very simple. Trust me. Okay. Fine. I'm not teaching you anything like how to open the Dynamo and other things on the day one and feel you bored. Trust me. That is the only session which makes you bored in the entire training. Dynamo history, Dynamo interface, and everything. We'll have it on Monday. Sorry, not Monday, on Tuesday. Clear, bro? Because today and tomorrow we are going to discuss the topic data types. And third day and fourth day you have a practice. And fifth day, we are going to review what you guys have finished, what you guys have done. Clear, everyone? Guys, clear?
Yes.
Okay. On fourth day, I'm going to explain you the entire Dynamo, how to open. That day you guys have to bring a pillow and dupatta, okay, and everything. You'll definitely sleep. Trust me, I promise. You'll definitely sleep. Okay, fine. So I'm just kidding, you won't sleep. Okay. So data types. So when it comes to the data types, we have two things. Control W is a shortcut to place the note. Okay, if you really want to write a notes, don't write here and there and put a pen and paper. No need. In the Dynamo itself, type Control W. Control W. Just give a minute. No one facing issues, no? Because day one, right? I have to cross check everyone joined or not. Yeah. So we are the students, correct? Even I'm also student. Okay, so 40 is a strength. Well, so we have two type of nodes. One is general programming data types. General programming data types. And one is for our application. What is our application? Rivet. Rivet application data types. So what do you mean by general programming data types? If you go and join a Python training somewhere or C# training somewhere, C# training somewhere, initially they teach you what is a data type actually. So those we are going to learn today in a very simple terms. Okay, with a very simple, I mean, I want you to understand this. In case if you are crossing 10:30, don't panic. I mean, guys, have you had your dinner or not yet? Huh? Everyone.
Done.
Someone directly
Rajesh,
commented.
Rajesh, I've just joined actually. Okay, I'm from UAE, so the time is 7:20 here. And maybe after the class, I'll be having my dinner.
Very good.
Yep.
For you, it's completely safe. Completely fine.
It's not about safe actually. I've joined like maybe 5-10 minutes late due to the traffic. But still, I started like 1 hour early from the office, but the traffic was horrible today.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Okay, fine. So general programming data types. Okay, so what do you mean by general programming data types? These are like, the people who are from very basic level, anyone can understand this general data types. But when it comes to the application data types, we have to be more conscious while we're playing with Rivet application data types. So what do you mean by data type, Rajesh? For example, this is a properties palette, right? This is a properties palette. Am I right? Correct? For example, if I pick any element, how many parameters I have here? Can you give me a rough count? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, some 16. I mean, like 12 and 8, 20,
Maybe around
29,
45.
around some 30, 45, 40, 45, right? So we have a 45 and then edit type, we have few more like again 15. So total we have a 60 parameters we have. Guys, is this clear? Are we here to play with the 60 parameters? Huh? Are we here? I mean, you paid like 25,000 or 45,000 to play with the 60 parameters? No, no. We have a different properties palette, a separate properties palette for our programmers. Okay. You can, I mean, if you have a time, just add a Dynamo logo on your CV and post it on your LinkedIn. Definitely. Meanwhile, we'll just finish the training and become experts. Is it clear? Okay. So where is our properties palette? Where is our properties palette? For example, for the same, I'll just go to the add-ons, Revit lookup, and Snoop selection. And this is our properties palette. This is our properties palette. And compared to our properties, I mean parameters, if you compare the actual parameters, not even 2% parameters we are not playing with. I'm not joking, seriously. Okay, if I want to extend, for example, if I want to get ID of an element, see, I'll just show you. It's very simple. Element, see element. So I'm going to play with an element dot ID. Do you understand? Today I just asked you to introduce yourself with a dot, correct? So dot in the sense you are, explaining about you, or else we are trying to extract some information from you, everything like person, for example, person dot name, you like Abhishek dot company is WSP, Abhishek dot salary, some 50 lakhs per month. Abhishek sounds very good, no, Abhishek? Huh? Okay, well,
Yes, obviously.
element here now, instead of a person, we have an element, and I'm asking element dot ID, element dot name, element dot parameters. Oh, so element ID. So this is an element ID of that. I can't see that in the properties palette, but I can copy this information into each and every element I can create a separate parameter, and I can copy this entire element IDs, each and every element ID into every element. Okay. So element name. Okay. It is a metered elbows tabs. See, it is metered elbows tabs. Okay, fine. I just want to see the parameters of it now, but it's not showing many parameters here. The one it turns in a blue color. Here it is individual, name is an individual, ID is an individual. It's just a value, but the blue color contains a different properties palette again. When I just click on it, again it will open a different properties palette. I have more information than this. See, I can see additional flow somewhere, area, category. You can see all the parameters here. Let's say, you bring the site. Okay, so I can see family name, friction. So I can see friction. I can see flow somewhere here, flow here, area. See here, this is an alphabetical order actually. Okay, and width maybe somewhere here, and height. Do you see that? So when I just click on this height, I'm able to read only one value. I'm able to read only one value, 350. That is this. Again, even for this parameter, we have a lot to play with. We have a lot to play with. These are going to help us to play with more conditions in our next future training. Guys, clear? So this is our actual properties palette. And what is the data type is? So false is a data type. RBS curve height parameter is a data type. And false is a data type. Double is a data type. Null is a data type. 350 is a different data type. So we are going to understand, we have to understand what kind of a data types we have. Okay, fine. So when I just pick an element, we have around 250 data types. I'm going to explain today. Will you be able to remember all this 250 data types in one day?
Nope.
Even though if I teach, huh?
Nope.
There are 250 data types we have. I'm going to explain one by one. and I'll ask you, I'll put a quiz. Will you be able to answer it? Huh? No?
We should be.
You'll try? Okay. What if instead 250, if I simplify into only 5 data types? Which one you need? I can explain in this style, I can explain in this style as well. So, which one you want? 5 data types or 250?
Whichever is beneficial, I think that will be the one actually. Maybe 5
Then
data types can
250.
cover all.
Then 250. Huh?
No, 5.
No. What I'm saying is the 5 data types can cover the whole, and then it's going to help us in Then that should be fine.
So let's leave this
In
250 for
basic.
this.
Five data
Actually,
types,
we have only 5 data types
5 data.
in
Okay.
general programming. Okay, we have more than 250 plus in application data types.
Okay.
Okay, clear? So first let's play with the 5 data types. What are those data types? Data type in the sense, that's very simple. You will be able to understand. I mean, the text is a data type and number is a data type, and true or false is a data type. Empty is a data type. That's it. 4. What is the 5th one? That's somehow danger. We'll discuss later. Okay. So what is the text? I mean, if I so horizontal justification, vertical justification. Where is the pen here, bro? Sure. Okay. If I split into these 2 parts, if I split this properties palette into the 2 parts, the left hand side will called as, what is this actually called? Parameter, right? It's a parameter, correct? So this
Yep.
one is parameter
Value.
correct? Stop
Yep.
pronouncing as parameter and parameter value from now on. Okay, we have to call it as horizontal justification variable. Clear, bro? Vertical justification variable, slope variable, width variable, length variable. Okay, clear? And what about this? Center is variable value. So if it is hard to pronounce, call it as a value, not parameter value, just a value. Okay. Okay. So on the left hand side, all the parameter names blindly, they are complete in the text format. Do you see this? They all are actually text. Correct? Do you see any numbers here?
No.
No. Do you see any true or false values here?
No.
No, only text. Okay.
Yeah.
So if any node which is expecting a parameter name, consider it is a text. Parameter names are in text format. Bro, clear?
Yeah.
Bro, clear? Okay. Now let's come to the right side part. Okay. So what is the center? Text. Middle? Text. I mean alphabets, complete alphabets. But a third one, level 1, which is alphabet and numerical as well.
Yeah.
There is a number also. Correct?
Yeah.
So got confused. So keep this aside for some time. Okay. So 2735 is a number. Correct? No? Number. So let's differentiate these two, text and number. Text and number. Okay. So 2560 is a number. 2385 is a number. 0.00, but there is a character as well. There is a character also. Percentage. Correct? So that is not an alphabet, but it is actually a ASCII character. ESCII. ASCII character. We call this as an ASCII characters. Okay. So keep this aside somewhere again. Okay. We are separating the strings. The text and numbers. Okay. Now 400. There is a. Can I zoom in? Yes. I think which is more clear now. Okay. 400 x 350. Even either it could be a x or else into mark. Okay, it's a character. So keep this aside then. 400 is number. Correct? Guys, you guys have to answer. You have to respond. Come on.
Yes, Rajesh.
Everyone.
It's a number. It's a
Looks
number. Yeah.
like looks like crazy asking all these things, even though you're a manager. Don't bother. I mean, I really don't bother. Okay, seriously, you are a kid. Since like you're learning a new thing. If you really want to see that impact in yourself, please do respond. Seriously. Okay. Fine.
Understood.
So 400 number,
Number.
350,
Number.
52710,
Number.
undefined.
Text.
Text.
Okay. Do you see any difference that this text is actually in the dark black, but this is in gray? So keep it
Yeah.
aside again.
Yeah.
Okay. So even this is also grayed out, and this is also grayed. Okay. Can we edit this?
No.
We can't.
So what do you mean by gray then?
Maybe it's a locked.
It's a log.
Read only.
Very good.
Read
Very
only
good.
one.
Okay, good. And do you name something else to it? Come on. Do you name something else? Log.
So
reporting
value.
What is it?
TXPYPZ.
Disable.
Mm-hmm. Come on.
It's actually built in, right?
Built in.
External property.
Okay. Built in. External property. Okay. Good. Fine. So let's name this later. Okay. For now, we called it as a read-only parameters. Okay. If you can able to enter something manually, they are write-only parameters. Bro, clear? Everyone.
Yeah.
So parameter types. Okay. I mean, can we control read-only parameters? Can we control the read-only parameter?
No, we
right?
can't. Yeah.
We can see only.
Formula.
We can see. Very good. Safe answer this is. We
Formula.
can control. Okay. But how? We'll see later. Okay. Not all the parameters can be controlled, but some of the parameters looks like read-only. They are actually not read-only parameters. Is it clear, bro? Okay.
Yeah.
So what type of parameters we have, we'll see in the coming sessions. Okay. So 5270 is a number. This one,
Text parameter.
this one,
Empty. Empty.
empty. Okay. When you're trying to play with this parameter, whenever you're trying to play with these two parameters in Dynamo, you will got stuck somewhere. Seriously. Because there is nothing empty. And in case, I mean, by mistakenly you are, I mean, the system name is a parameter which is a part of your entire workflow. It will not let you
Throw
go
errors.
further. Yes, it will throw some warnings or errors. Okay. So in that case, we have to take this out and, throw it away. Is it clear? Clear, no? Okay. Good.
Workflow will not work.
Sorry, workflow? Will not work now.
Workflow will throw error and it will stop now.
Correct. So that in that case, we have to eliminate. See, in our curry, we use some curry leaves. We'll throw it aside. No, like you have to throw these kind of empty values. Is it clear? Or else there is one more thing. In case there are 100 elements, for all the 99 elements, it has a data. But the last 100 element, there is no data. Then what do we have to do? Because of that last 100 element, since there is no data, it will not allow me to.
Guys, who is not talking, please.
Muted. Everyone muted. Okay. So whatever, I mean, wherever there is a problem with the particular element, that element will not let us go and play with the rest of the 99 elements even. Bro, are you getting clear?
Yes.
Are you getting clear? So we have to be very careful while you're playing with empty nodes or else empty data parameters, something. Okay, clear? Now, fine. So what is the size lock?
Hello,
Looks
sir.
like a block. Huh?
Hello.
Come on.
Sir, I'm having a doubt, sir.
Checkbox.
Now, if the value is something like 400.5, then it is number and escape both, sir.
I'll come to that in some time. I'll come to that in some time. Okay. I mean, I haven't explained into the coding terms yet. Okay. We are discussing in our general terms. Okay. So what is this box actually?
True or false?
Very good. True or false. So if it is checked, it will be
True.
Very good.
True in database.
True in database. Exactly. Correct.
Yeah.
So we'll see how to play with it. Okay. Fine. What about this one?
Read only.
Read only, but it is a number. Correct.
Yeah.
So this is a number, read only number, read only number. So read only number. There is a L by S. We have a number and we have text as well.
ASCII.
So I'm a bit confused. Let's keep it aside. So 0.0 again. So 373.3, it's clear. Okay, there are two type of data types, bro. It's like homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Homogeneous in the sense the entire data looks like very clear. So center is a complete string. It has complete alphabets. So I can confidently say it is a homogeneous and it is a string. Sorry, it's a text. Bro, clear?
Yeah.
It's a clear text. But when it comes to the level 1, it has alphabets and numericals as well.
Numeric number. Yeah.
Numeric numbers as well. Correct. Now I got confused. So it completely depends upon how the way we receive and how the way the person stored in a application. Okay. So we'll jump into this topic in the coming minutes. Just give me some time. So 0.00 number. Oh, M by S, keep it aside. PA, keep it aside. PA by M, keep it aside. So image, empty. And comments, text, mark, oh, doubt is a text. Main model, text, created by empty. Face created, text. Are you clear? So do you see the difference? What is a text and number? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let me explain. Oh, where is mine? Okay, let me erase everything. So let's stop pronouncing this as a text. Okay, so let's call it as a strings.
String.
Let's call it as a string. And when it comes to the number, we have two segregations like that. If a number with dot and without dot, I mean with decimal, without decimal.
Okay.
You know, clear? With decimal and without decimal. So decimal in the sense like a dot. Okay. So with decimal, we'll call it as a double. Without decimal,
Integer.
okay, we'll call it as a integer. Clear, bro?
Okay.
This is clear. So with the decimal values, this is double. Without, this is called as an integer. Clear? Now tell me, what is this? Integer or double?
Double. No, it's an integer, no? Dot.
It's an integer, no?
But there is a dot, no?
It's decimal.
But there is a dot also, right? There is a dot here. See, as per my statement, if there is a dot, it is a double.
Okay.
Right? As per my
Understood. Okay.
statement, dot in
Okay.
the sense don't consider whether after dot there is a 0 or 01, 02, 03, 99.
Okay.
Could be anything. Okay. If there is a dot, it's a double. Simple.
Okay.
Clear, everyone?
Yeah. Clear.
Clear.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So middle elevation. Come on, everyone. Middle elevation.
Double.
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 Double. Lower and
Double.
bottom elevation.
Double.
Double.
Slope.
Double.
Hey.
It's an
There is
integer.
an ASCII character. There is an
It's
ASCII
ASCII
character
character.
as well.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in the end, there is an ASCII character. Now,
Yeah.
even when it comes to the text case, I have dragged it. So I'm confused now whether is it integer. I mean, whether is it double or a
Or
string
integer.
or
String.
a
Okay.
string. It is not at
Okay.
all an integer because it has a decimal value.
Decimal. Okay.
Now, since it has a special character, now I have to consider whether is that a string
String
or
or a double.
double. Correct? Are you clear? Do you able to
Okay.
differentiate the difference, bro? Huh? Can
Yeah.
you feel the
I have a doubt.
difference? Come on.
So Rajesh, it means that like we have a number with any like let's say a percentage or any values. So we should either we should be making sure whether it's a string or a double. We need to understand that.
Okay, I'll give a conclusion now for it.
Okay.
Okay, in next 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, any other questions here?
My doubt.
Hmm.
Is presume that whatever the slope variable is right only. Okay. So even if you input a value, it will consider itself as a percentage. Yes or no?
Correct.
So
I agree.
even if you input some integer, it will convert to percentage and ASCII value. So does that make it another data type, or since we are inputting a particular data type, what does it make sense?
But we don't have any other data types apart from text or number. Okay, here we have a text and here we have a number as well. So you have to apply some common sense where that person is acting like a unit. Bro, clear everyone?
Okay.
Okay, it's not manually entered. If you are not entering a character manually, if it is taking it by default, it means it is a unit. Correct?
Okay.
And now square meter is a unit. Correct?
Yeah.
So units will be ignored. They are not
Okay.
considered as a special character. And even though if you see a number with units or any some sort of a special characters, consider it is a unit and whatever the storage type it is, it will be considered. So here,
Okay.
79.065. It is an
Yeah.
integer, correct?
Double.
79.065.
No, it's a double.
It will be double, no?
Double. Okay, very good. So 79.065. So there is a dot, it's a double. So square
Okay.
meter square is just a unit.
Okay.
Okay,
Unit.
Yes, sir.
cool. Now here I can enter, even though I write 100 instead of liters per second, I write meters per second something. For suppose, will it
Okay.
accept it? Will it accept? No. See, enter a
No.
value or a formula starting with equal to. It means it's
Yep.
giving some different warning. So let's say cancel, and again it's set to and it has reset the value. What if I enter 100, the
It will
liters per
take.
second, which is accepting, which is a unit. Is it
Yep.
clear? Okay,
Yep.
it's not entered by me. It is just a unit. Okay, so we have to consider only the number here.
Okay.
We have to consider a number only here. Okay, so and the number, it is double data type. Bro, very
Okay.
clear, everyone? Okay.
Clear.
So
Rajesh.
we'll see how to see that exact data types using Dynamo in just sometime today. Okay. So what about velocity pressure?
Double.
It's a double.
Double.
Velocity?
Double.
So what about mark?
Like text
Text
and
and
Text.
an integer.
But it has an integer.
ASCII.
400 is an integer.
Yeah.
350 is an integer.
Yes, sir.
Is that an
ASCII.
integer or a string?
ASCII character.
String.
String, huh?
Both actually, both.
Both, huh?
String only.
How come both? Okay, generally it's very simple, bro. Some set of parameters at the time of we create, whatever you exactly choose, that is the particular data type of a parameter. So you understand the data types, but for every parameter, it has its own data type. Every parameter. Let's create one and show you. I think you didn't notice this before. In manage project parameters, at the time of I create a new parameter, it is asking for the data type. Do you see this?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you see
Yes,
that?
sir.
So
Yeah.
Yes.
now, if I want to create a double parameter, so which one I should pick? Come on.
Integer.
Number.
Number.
Number,
Do you
yes.
have a number here?
Yeah,
Very
we have
good.
it below the mass density.
Yeah.
We have a number. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
create one parameter and be underscore number. Okay. And let's leave that as common discipline and under identity data for all the
Identity data.
categories. Okay. And instance, just click
Yeah.
OK. Then I'll create a one more again and be underscore integer. And now do you have integer data type here?
Yeah.
Where?
Here we
Yes, sir.
have.
Second
Where?
one, second.
Second.
Second one, huh?
Second. Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So you're very good at this. Check all and then click OK. Now I want to create a string
check all.
parameter. String parameter. So b underscore string. Okay. And where is the string parameter?
The top, the first one. The first one.
First
Text
one.
only.
Text.
Data. Check all and click OK. Done.
Okay.
So I created three parameters. Let's see the
Yes.
difference now. Okay. So I have an integer, number, and string.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what if I enter someone's name, Akalya? See, it is
It
not
won't take.
accepting.
Yeah.
It is not
Accepting.
Okay. Cancel. Okay. Fine. What if I enter? What is this number? Double, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'll try someone named Bilal.
No,
Not
it won't take.
accepting.
Yeah.
String. I'll type my mobile number 9133665544.
It
Will
will
it
take.
accept?
It will
Will it
accept.
accept?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
If a number is not accepting characters, I mean string text characters, I mean alphabets, how come a string parameter will accept the numbers?
It's a combination of
It's
both
a-
text and numbers. Text will contains numbers and alphabets. No, sir.
You have a coding experience knowledge, no, bro?
Some
Some. Okay. Cheating. Okay, well, so the text is it is accepting. Okay, string can accept anything in it, but our numbers are very particular.
Oh.
There is a reason
it
I'm
has a
explaining.
condition backend. It accepts only numeric one.
Correct. It accepts only numeric. Even though if I want to enter 123.456, it will not allow that 456. See, again there is
Say
a warning.
integer.
Correct. Enter an integer. So I have to enter exactly this.
It will take.
Oh, what happened? Enter a
It's,
value. I didn't enter anything. No, but still,
It's
why
exceeding its limit.
is it 913366 accepting? Oh,
Yes.
cool. Then number
Exceeding
now
limits, sir.
9133665544. Now
No.
it is accepting.
Yeah.
It is accepting. But why it didn't accept?
It has some constraints
Huh?
like a limit.
Is it only 6 digits it can accept? Huh? Not even
Maybe.
seventh
I
one.
am guessing like
7, 8,
It's taking
9, 10.
Maybe same data it not taking.
Same. So it's not allowing more than 9 characters. Okay, cool. So B number, which is, I mean, can I eliminate this points? Huh? What if it'll add
it will
again?
Still,
come.
yeah, it'll add again. It'll add again.
It'll add again and again. I'll just come to
You'll
this
have to
1,
change
2,
the
3, 4,
units.
5, 6. Oh, no. I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4. No, why? Okay,
Erasing.
let me change this 9133.6655.
It
It's
will
accepting.
take.
Yeah.
Uh,
1, 2, 3, 4,
It's taking
5,
that.
6,
It
7,
means
8,
which is
9, 10.
okay. So there is a specific limit. Anyways, seeing
Okay.
that I'm not able to add any point values in the integer parameter, I'm not even it's not even accepting at that if I want to remove this the values after z dot. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Clear, everyone? So
Yes.
integer parameter and number
Yes.
parameter and string parameter. Now, how do we understand, Rajesh? I mean, let's play with some parameters using Dynamo. Huh? Shall we? For
Okay.
our first script, correct?
Yeah.
Our first script to play with the data types. I mean, this is going to be your assignment for today. And one more, we have, I mean, most of the people texted me on WhatsApp that you are using 2022 and 2021. In case if you have a chance to install 2024, then install it. Or else if you already have a more burden on your machine and you have 2 or 3 versions already installed, then I generally don't suggest. Go with the maximum highest one, highest version. Is it 24 or 25? Whatever it is.
Rajesh, I have 23. That is fine.
Fine. I
Okay.
mean, 20, above 21 is fine. Like 22,
Okay.
23, 24.
Okay. Okay.
No one are using actual 21. Only one person who texted me, it's 21. Okay.
No, I
So
was having 25, but IT has removed it and they installed the Navisworks 24 and 26 because of the space constraint. They removed it.
okay, good. Okay, not for me, it is not a space constraint. Like I'm using 2024, and there is a specific reason. I'm actually planning everyone to be aligned exactly with me. Is it clear? So
Okay, fine.
you
So
can't say that
Rajesh,
Rajesh,
you are saying that 24 is requirements. Maybe I can just request the IT to install it tomorrow.
get it done if possible.
Okay.
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 Then 2023 is fine. I mean, don't add anything. 2024 is fine. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. We'll see. Let's discuss later. And there are 2 set of nodes in Dynamo. These are called twin nodes. So one node will help you to extract the information, and second node will help you to set the information to it. One is actually extracting, and second one is actually trying to set a value. Okay, Rajesh, how do I remember this? Which node is actually trying to help us? I mean, which is a part of the script, so which shouldn't disturb this entire workflow. Most of the people have the same doubt. I mean, there are 2 people at the time of registration. Before the registration, we had a conversation for 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. So while these conversation, I do remember recently people asked, what if Rajesh, I disturb my project model, then how do I correct it? This generally happens only if you don't have a basic idea of type of nodes. Okay. Generally, we have a 3 set of nodes. Luckily it opened. See, plus mark and zap icon and question mark. Guys, clear?
Yeah.
Plus zap and question mark. There is no other different icon. And there are no separate types. We have only 3 types. Plus, action, query. Okay. So plus, zap, question mark. Only 3.
Okay.
So what is this plus in the sense? It is going to create something in your model. So make sure if it is creating anything by mistake, you should know what it has exactly created. Okay. Clear? Then The second one is these set of nodes are going to play with your model elements. Very, very danger. Very, very danger. Okay. By mistakenly, you have opened someone's created script. I mean, for example, Gangadhar here. So Gangadhar has shared a script with with Girish to execute. Actually, Girish has to set some inputs and then he has to execute. But by mistakenly, the script itself executed by itself. The same script executed by itself without Girish, permissions. It happens. Okay, generally it happens. So how to avoid it? I'll explain in coming sessions. Don't ask me now. So it happened, and now Girish didn't know that that has executed and deleted some elements in the model. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you understand? Actually, that's
Yeah,
supposed to delete the elements which are duplicated on one or with the same some set of name. So Girish has to change some, need to give some inputs to it, and then he has to execute that script. Clear? But unfortunately, I mean, what are the default values it has in it? It has executed and deleted some elements. He can't get it back again. Trust me. Okay, so make sure what set of nodes we have on our workflows. Very good. And this one is like a very cool nodes. They're completely 100% safe. Okay, they are just extracting the information. In an entire script, you have 100 nodes in it. So the 100 nodes are completely harmless. Is it clear? Okay. So
Sir, can you come again?
these nodes are completely safe, bro. Let me
No,
explain
the
in
plus zap and query.
these query nodes. These are actually trying to extract the information. These are 100% safe nodes.
Safe.
You
Okay.
can play whatever you want, like however you want. They won't disturb your model at any cost. Is
Okay.
it clear? So which
Clear.
helps to extract the information. Simple. Okay. And then these are creating something like 50%. They are dangerous.
Okay.
Okay, but it has sense. I mean, for example, there are some set of points created by Chandramouli. So, and Chandramouli has given the script to Bilal, and Bilal has executed. And wherever there is, I mean, there are placed some
Points.
hanging lights. Some hanging lights were placed at this point. Okay, if by mistakenly this Bilal has opened the same script, it will not place it again. Why? There are already some elements. Is this clear? Then at that particular point, we already have an elements there. So it will
Okay.
not place it. It means it is applying some common sense.
Okay.
Okay. For suppose, if there are some set of nodes which is placing lights dot by points. Okay, lights by points. Lights dot by points. Okay. So some idiots exactly what do? They don't give a proper logic to this particular node. What if in the same locations, if there is any same element which you're trying to place, if it is there, so they won't give a skip function. Is this clear? Okay.
Okay.
So it will simply place it. So in that case, we have to cross check. Is it clear? That's the reason I said it's a 50% dangerous node. It may place the same set of elements again in the same positions.
So it means that Rajesh, we need to go and check that whether we have any duplicate items placed on that location. Is that right?
Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
So even that is also possible with a simple scripts. No worries.
Okay.
Okay. But when it comes to the action nodes, these are very, very dangerous. 100% dangerous nodes they are. Okay. 100% dangerous nodes. Now, at the time of while you are placing some set of nodes onto the canvas in the sense the white space, bro, the white space. Okay.
Okay.
So on this space, if you have any action nodes, you should figure it out immediately. Oh, there's an action node. So I should be very careful how it comes. I'll explain you the tricks and tips in the training. Don't worry. Okay. Fine. So What are the twin nodes? Get parameter, value by name. Now apply some logic. What kind of a node is this? Is that a create, a query, or action?
Query node.
Okay.
Query.
Let me hover the
Calling
cursor on this and read the
value.
description.
Element.
Read the description. Come on.
Element dot get parameter value by name. So it's like a create, am I right?
Read the description. Read the description.
Getting the value, so it's extracting.
It's query.
Come on, I'm
Element
asking
dot get
everyone.
Get the
parameter
value
value
of
by name.
one of the elements.
Get the value of one of the elements parameters. So when you connect a parameter and when you connect an element, for that particular element, if there is a parameter that you're exactly asking for, if it is exist, then it will bring that particular value.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is an action node, correct?
Yeah.
Since it is
Yeah.
correct, no?
Yeah. Okay, fine. Understood.
Is this an action node?
No, how? It is extracting value, so
Extraction
it
node.
will be a query.
So my answer is action. How many of you with me? Come on. My answer is action node. How many of you with me? Basil, Arun, Abhishek, Atalia?
No.
Element dot
I
get
think it's
parameter
query.
value by.
It's not taking any input
It's
to
taking
action.
it's taking input, sir. It will by
If it is
geometry.
a action node, then you just repeat again for the node types again. Because I understand nothing then.
Extraction
So,
node. Sir,
very
we are
simple.
entering value now. It comes under a geometry, so it's my action query.
Action query. No, fine. Let me explain. So there is a small difference between create and action and query. Okay. So let me just like a simple thread. Okay. I want you to be very, very clear on this. So when you connect an element, it is actually when you connect a parameter name, it's going to get the value of it. Value of it. So it is just extracting the information. It is not executing anything. So try to understand what do you mean by action set of nodes like control W. Get. What if on the other end, okay, change, delete, move, copy. Copy is a create node. Okay. So move, rename, reset. So these are actually action nodes.
Yeah, action nodes.
These are actually action nodes. It means I'm going to change an element. I'm playing with an existing element, and there will be a change happened in the Revit model in the on elements. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Is this clear? If I ask to delete, it's going to delete the elements.
Yeah, it's an
If I'm
action.
asking to move, it is actually moving the elements from one place to another place.
Yeah.
It is actually renaming one particular type to some other type. And I'm asking to reset the complete. It means reset in the sense it's going to change the complete data.
Yeah.
Correct? So
Yes.
if I'm trying to play with these set of actions will be, I mean, these kind of verbs we called as a action.
It will be an action.
And very, very simple. I'll show you one more clear identification. So which is you'll come to know. Array, what is this? What is the action node and what is a extracting? I mean, what's a query node? Okay. I'll show you. So for now, consider element.get parameter value by name. Element.get parameter value by name. Okay. If you connect an element and parameter name, how to connect an element? Initially, for the first 5-6 sessions, we don't play with the multiple elements. We play with a single element only. Okay. Later, we started with there is a concept called element selection, which means we are trying to pull all the elements of a particular category from the entire model. Is this clear? Rajesh, I
Yeah.
need all the ducks from, the entire model. We'll get it. But Rajesh, I need only the level 1 ducks. Yes. So we have to add one more condition. But first we have to get all the ducks, and then we have to write a condition. Which condition? Please find out only the level 1 ducks from the complete list. Bro, clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll do those kind of an actions, and then we'll figure it out. Okay. Since it is expecting an element, I have a node called select model element. If I want to play with the multiple elements, select model elements. Okay. Select model element. Just I'll pick one lighting fixture. This one. Okay. And I want
Okay.
to get the panel information. Since it is expecting an element, guys, very important. You're playing with the data types. So the
Okay.
data type here, we are not covered that concept. We are going to play with the Revit data types in tomorrow's session. For now, let me go with this and parameter name. Do you remember I've told you in Dynamo, any node which is expecting parameter name, what was that actually?
The variable.
No, it is a string. Text.
Variable. String value. Okay.
It's a string because it is asking the left-hand side part, parameter name. So these
Okay.
all are like a strings only. Correct?
Okay.
All of
Okay.
them are strings. If I hover the cursor on this, even it is trying to help you in the second line.
Yeah.
In the
String.
second line, it's clearly saying that I'm expecting string.
Okay.
Okay. So when I hover the cursor on this input part, which is showing actually two areas. So first area is a description, the name of the
Yeah.
parameter whose value you want to obtain. It is saying that what to do exactly. Okay, is this clear? And on
Yeah.
the next line, it is saying string. It means how to exactly connect, what to connect. Okay, so it is asking a
For a
string.
string.
So I
String.
have a node called
String.
string.
Okay.
I place it. If it is asking for a number,
Yeah.
I'll place a number
Number.
node.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm clear. But what to filter? I mean, what to extract? So if I'm asking for panel, I'll type panel.
Panel. Okay.
Okay, so when I connect this, why it is not showing me anything?
Because it's maybe it's a read only.
We need to
String
select
value.
the element category.
No, for the same element, panel LP3, it actually prints LP3, but it is showing null here. Why?
It is not run
Actually, we
yet.
need to give input.
You have to run the
Very good.
run the script.
Electrical loads dot
Exec-
panel.
No. Actually, to execute
Run the
this,
script.
we have
We
to
have to
run the
run the.
script.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay.
Is it
It was
clear?
on
Now,
manually.
when I run the script, now it's printing LP3.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay, good. So manually we have to run. Okay, fine.
Okay.
I need an information of the same element. LP3. I need a circuit number.
Okay.
So I'll type circuit number. Okay, now LP3.
Run.
Let me just click on run. Here on the next, this is called status bar, bro.
Okay.
After run, this entire space we called as a status bar. Here we'll see if there is any errors or warnings on the execution in a workflows. Okay. Here it is showing like run started. After 5 minutes, it still shows run started. Why? Because there is an element selected in the background.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Okay. So we
Yeah.
have to hit escape.
Escape. Okay.
Hit escape.
Complete.
Otherwise,
Run.
it will execute but takes time.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Understood.
So when I skip this and connect it, but it is not showing me anything.
We
It
have
is
to rerun it
executed.
again.
Oh, no,
No, we need to run again.
Run again. Run multiple times. But it
Okay.
isn't
No,
showing
it's
anything.
case sensitive.
Huh?
Then
Very
now
good.
we
Case
have
sensitive.
Very good. Very good. Right answer. So it's a case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive?
So the string, the value what we are entering for the string, it should be the same what we have in the palette on the Revit.
Properties palette. So capital C and then capital N,
Capital S.
capital N, and just click on the workspace. I mean, on the Revit background, nothing selected. And when I click on run, I see 14. Perfect.
Yeah.
Coming now. Very good.
Yeah.
So this is the way we extract some elements information. Correct? No? What if I need multiple elements?
So we need to go and
I'll
select the multiple.
Exactly. Select the multiple elements, and then we'll see that on the next coming sessions, how to play with multiple. Okay. So now this is fine. But what if I want to extract schedule level?
Yeah.
Okay. So schedule level, and hit escape, just execute. Oh, here it is actually showing me only information level 3, but which is giving me along with the level 3,
The elevation value. The elevation value.
As well. Correct?
Yeah.
It's giving me elevation as well. But I need only level 3, just simple data. How to segregate this data from here? That we'll see in the coming sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Is this clear? I mean, whatever it is exactly here, it is not printing that. It's printing more beyond than that.
Yeah. So it's
Okay.
giving like additional
Why is the
information.
elevation different?
Sorry? Why?
Why is the elevation
Because
different?
here it is elevation from level. It is giving you the 7299 from the
Revit
model.
From the finished floor. From the finished floor of the
finished
Revit model
floor,
might be.
actually it's giving you that exact value. Is this clear? So this is elevation from level from the level 3.
Okay.
But it is actually giving from the level 0. Okay.
Yeah, maybe it could be the when they place
it
the
is not-
lighting fixture, they would have not segregated the to which level it is being placed from. Could be the
Right.
reason.
I think the elevation is showing from origin. I mean, the base
From
level.
origin?
Yes.
Okay,
No.
fine. It could be anything.
I think
No controversies. I'm going to explain this
Fine,
concept
understood.
in
Okay,
very
later.
detail later. Okay,
Later.
fine.
Okay.
But I mean, even your answer is correct. Even from horizon is correct. Everything. Okay. So we'll get different values from different nodes. For example, let me show you something. If I'm asking for element elevation. So if I connect an element and asking for elevation, see, I have one node. If I connect this to this, it's going to give you the elevation. Let me execute. Let me execute. See, 9750. Is that matching?
No.
Then I'm going to take an element dot get location. Get location. I'm asking for the location. Now cross check again. So whose answer is exactly correct? We'll see. This is 9750. So the Z value is 9750, elevation is 9750. And here it shows like 7299. So 7300, which is correct one. Is that matching?
No, I think the last one is taking. Yeah, the last one is taking from the maybe the project base point or the origin.
That will sort out in the coming sessions.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear? Fine. Okay. So let's go for now. I mean, what I'm trying to convey, sometimes when you're trying to extract the information, the exact information won't come. It will bring his entire family. Understand? Okay. So you just invited one person to your function, bro. Okay, just one person. You cost it for you expect it for one plate 250 rupees, but the entire family has come now. 50-60 people with one invitation. Heart attack now.
Understood. Yeah.
Okay, so
understood. Yeah.
When you're trying to pull just basic information, it will come with the entire information. There are n number of nodes like this. Okay, we'll see how to.
Rajesh, it's also taking the what is the number which is coming after that 378119?
It is element ID.
The
Which element
element
ID?
ID, okay. For the
No,
for the
see,
no,
this element ID is 499192,
yeah,
but this is 378119. What is this element ID? This ID is for particular level.
okay,
Okay,
okay, fine.
this element ID is for this
For
element,
that
the
particular element,
particular
okay,
element. But the
okay.
one which is giving it is actually a level ID.
Level ID, okay.
Okay, I mean, if you type 378119, 378119, select by ID 378119. If I just click OK, see that is it's a
Level
level
1, okay,
and it's a
okay.
level 3. Bro, you clear?
Yeah,
Everyone?
yes, clear.
Okay,
Okay,
fine. We'll see all this. There are a number of tips and tricks. You have to
okay,
digest it. Okay.
okay,
And even the bad thing in our training is I won't let you write down the notes. Okay.
okay.
Because while you're writing, you may miss some other, important tips.
One doubt.
Hmm.
So
Come on.
there is an element ID showing in one node, and there's also an element ID in the output of element dot get parameter value. So there are two. How can that value have an element ID?
Actually, you are extracting the information of a level.
Okay, level ID.
Of a level. It is a level ID. So here the information, what it is exactly bringing, it is level information, the entire level
Okay.
information. Is this
Okay,
clear?
and okay. Even
And
Rajesh, I understood that 7299 is the level 3 elevation, which showed
exactly,
actually on the ID when you
got the
clicked it.
logic now.
Yes,
Okay.
understood.
Fine.
Understood.
Okay, so let's go deeper into into the concepts in the coming sessions. Okay.
Yeah.
For now, we have few more topics to be covered. Okay, because I don't want to discuss this same topic tomorrow again. Let's close this general programming data types by
I
today
have a
itself.
query. Rajesh, can I please?
Come on. You can
Because
ask multiple questions.
yeah, actually, I don't get that it is a query, action, or place.
Still
Sorry, I'm
your
very
doubt,
sorry. I
bro.
did not
It is a
understand.
query actually.
Okay.
It's a query. Okay, it is actually extracting the information. Okay, fine. Since you asked me, I'll show you. Here, there is an undo bar, bro. There is an undo here. Okay, so we have an undo here. So if you are trying to play with any element, okay, and it has executed, it means it has moved an element or deleted an element, it will create a transaction here. It will create a transaction. If any node is creating a transaction, then it is an action node. Shall we see one?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm just extracting this information multiple times, not schedule level. Let me pull some other information. Mark. I'll write mark here and connect it to this. Hit escape and case sensitive run. It is 315.
Yeah.
So it didn't create anything. Correct? It didn't
Yeah.
create anything. Now, what if I want to change this mark value? I want to change, the same set of node, but element and parameter name, both are same. So for the same
Okay.
element, the mark parameter name, the value has to be changed. But what should I enter? What should I enter? Tell me, what do you want me to enter in the mark parameter?
220.
Huh?
220.
220, yeah. So 220. So if I want to write a 220, which node I supposed to use? String or number? Number. Are you clear? Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yes.
You sure, right? You're very sure, correct? Okay, very good. So I just write 220
Should be string.
connected and asking
But
to
mark should be string, no?
we'll see what it exactly. Oh,
So
run
it's given
completed
error
with
actually.
warnings.
Yeah.
Value.
Run completed with warnings. And what is that warning? You already answered it. What is that?
It's a string.
Integer.
Integer. Correct? See what it is
Yeah.
exactly says. Arey Baba, element dot set parameter by name operation failed. But why? The parameter storage type is not a number.
Type is not a number. Okay, so it gives a warning. What is the error came about it?
Exactly. So it is not. If it is not a number, then it will
It's an
be
integer.
Integer.
integer. Huh? Even though for integer we use a number node only.
Double.
Yeah. Double.
Even though for
Point
integer
it's
for
coming.
so we are going to use the same node even for integer for double. Same
Okay.
node. We don't have a different set of nodes. We don't have two set of nodes. For integer and double, we use the same node. So
Okay.
I can't connect even this to the same again. Nothing. So then
It was string.
stringer, are you sure? If it is not number, we have the other option is a string only. Let me try. I'll enter 220. Okay, this is accepting. When I connect this to this and refresh, executed, huh? Let's see.
Yeah.
Executed.
Ah, I see 220 there.
Yes.
How come?
Yes.
Why it didn't work before? Why it has worked now?
It's matching now. Previously, it does not
So
match with the
how
integer.
do we? Okay, fine. I've set the value. It means I have disturbed the element. Am I right?
Yes.
I have disturbed the element. Now go and check in the in this undo bar. See, there is a Dynamo script executed,
Yeah.
which is saying that there is a task, there is a script executed. Task executed. Okay, fine. I'll just change the same thing to the comments as well. Comments, I am setting 221. Okay, and refresh again. If I go and check, there is a one more Dynamo script transaction has placed.
Yeah.
It means the action has executed twice. It now, if I'm trying to play with, guys, let's see. I'm trying to extract the information of comments now. Elements and connect the comments and executed the script now, but I don't see the third one here.
Yeah.
Did you see that? Is this
Yes.
clear? So
Yeah.
the transaction will be placed when it is either create or action,
Action.
not with the query. If there is
Okay.
no transaction has been placed, then you're completely safe. Or by mistakenly you have executed someone's shared script, then come and check instantly here. Okay, there's nothing. Then it means okay, nothing is executed in the model. Clear, bro?
Yeah.
No,
Is it clear?
actually,
So
I didn't get one thing. Like here you used the string option. That should be number like integer or double. That point I didn't get properly.
Okay, fine. I clear. Okay, let me explain. Bro, it's very simple. First, shall we read? We have 30 minutes. Let's understand what is the exact data type of each and every parameter.
Yes.
Clear? Huh?
Yeah.
Let's play this game for next 30 minutes. No more exercises. Okay. To make you clear, let's play game. Okay. I understand. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. I'm asking, bro, I have an element. I'm asking, Dynamo is my bro. So element dot, can you please get me a parameters?
Okay.
Parameters. So
Okay.
which is giving me get list of element parameters. Is it clear? So when
Yeah.
I connect this to this
Yeah.
and refresh, so there are total 37 parameters, bro.
Okay.
Our count is wrong. Actually, it's not 45. It's 37. Okay. So total 35. So area and BE integer we created. B number we created.
So we created B string. We created
B string we created. Calculate coefficient of utilization. These are default. And the
default
comments
parameters.
221
Yeah.
and mark 220. So we have all this. Correct?
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
the
Sir,
next,
these are nodes or
no, these are parameters.
The parameter of that particular element, what we have selected.
Exactly. Parameters of this particular element. Bro, clear?
Yeah.
yeah.
Sir.
Thank you.
Shall I mute everyone? I mean to make you
Sorry.
understand. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm muting everyone. So try to understand. But actually, even though with disturbance, if everyone are responding, I love it seriously. But due to our, family, I can't say anything seriously. Let it be. We have to accept it, bro. Clear? Clear, no? Sometimes it may happen with you, sometimes it may happen with someone. Let it be. I want you to speak and keep on asking me questions. If I muted you, it looks like I'm talking to my laptop. Clear?
Understood.
I hate it. Okay. Please, everyone, if there is no noise, or else better use, you're already investing 25,000 on this training. So invest like 100 or 200 rupees that you will get a noise cancellation device on Amazon. Okay, so that will not allow any other voice apart from your, this thing. Okay, fine. We'll see that later. So area, now I have a parameter. So if I want to move further, I have to ask, bro, I have a parameter. So when I type parameter and put a dot next to it, it's going to show me what are the things that it can play with. So parameter dot name. Okay. Connect this parameter to this. Run. Oh.
Yeah.
See, there are no values now. Area,
Yeah.
B integer, B number, B string, only the parameter names.
Yeah.
Bro, clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So I want to know the parameter data type as well. No, value. So where are these values? Again,
So it will
do I
be
know the
parameter dot value.
parameter dot value?
Value.
Parameter dot value. Now, can I connect this to this here? Come on.
No.
It is
No.
asking parameter. Think twice
Yeah.
before you answer. Think twice before you answer. This is expecting parameter. Correct?
No, we
No.
need to connect
Here I
with
have
the
a parameter
We
names.
cannot.
Yes.
It expecting
connect this to
event
this?
element.
It is expecting what? So from where should I connect?
Elements.
Element parameter.
Elements dot
from there.
parameter.
But
Elements
why?
dot parameter.
But why? Why not
Because
from
it's
here?
expecting
No, we can
parameter.
connect because
No.
now these are a
It's
string.
taking hierarchy.
No,
Like,
actually here if you connect directly to the parameter name means it will not execute properly because the parameter name itself contains only the names. Or it doesn't contain any numbers.
chain
values.
is not linking.
Okay, good. So shall I give you a tip here? Huh?
Yes.
Shall I give you a tip? Huh? See, it's very simple. Even we may get confused. It is expecting the parameter. Here I have a parameter. But what
Yeah.
if I connect this to this? It will give me the warning. Execute. It will give me the warning. What?
Yeah.
Are Baba, I'm
Yeah.
expecting parameter, but you connected something else. See,
Yes.
when you hold the cursor on this, parameter dot value expecting argument is nothing but input, bro.
Yeah.
Generally in Python or C language or C# language, we called argument as an inputs. So it
So we have
means
to take
it is
that from the
actually
element parameter.
it is actually expecting now
Hey.
you have to understand few things. Why it is not taking this, allowing me to take a screenshot.
A print screen. Just type the print screen.
Yeah. I know. Actually, my shortcut key isn't working.
Oh, not working. Okay, fine. Sorry.
Okay. But not this. Actually, I need this. Print screen.
Can you use a snip tool?
I'm using snipping only, but it isn't working. My mouse sometimes irritates me. MS Paint. Control. Okay. Now, try to understand. You see, there are two different brackets here, bro. Everyone. Okay. You see the two different brackets. So one open bracket and one close bracket. Okay. Where is another set of bracket? Here there is another set of bracket. two set of brackets. So the first set of brackets, it shows what it is actually expecting. Okay. And the
Yeah.
second set of bracket is actually saying that, "Are idiot, you connected this." Is this clear? It's scolding you.
Yeah.
I'm expecting this. You have connected this. So what it
You're
is
wrong.
actually expecting? It is expecting Revit.elements.parameter.
But
But
we
you
are connected with
connected
the string. With the string. Yeah.
Bro, clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Called in the
Yes, sir.
sense,
Yes, sir.
called in
Yes.
the sense connected, bro.
Connected.
Let
Okay.
me reset this entire thing. Called in the sense connected. Argument in the sense input.
Input.
Okay. So it is not expect, it is expecting.
Yeah.
We are playing no. Correct.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
parameter.value expecting input types. Okay. Why
Okay.
there is a bracket here? Generally, we may have more than one
Type.
parameter.
Parameters.
We
Yeah.
may
Okay.
have more
Multiple
than one type of
parameters.
parameter. So that's the reason there is a S here. No confusion.
Yes.
So if you have a second one, there will be a comma and the one more would be there. Okay. We'll see in the on go. Okay. And but is connected with it is connected with. I changed the complete sentence to make you understand. Okay. So parameter.value is expecting an input
And the
type
input types connected.
parameter, but it is connected with a string.
Connected with the
Can you
string.
please fix it? Okay, that's fine. Let me delete. So I can't connect this. Even when I hover the cursor on this, actually it is trying to give you a hint. We are missing it now. Most of the nodes will give you three different set of hints. If you really understand that, you are completely, genius, because it's very hard to understand. 3D. And second thing is we don't have the three set of nodes all the time. I mean the hints all the time. Fine. We'll discuss that later. It is expecting Revit.elements.parameter. When I hover the cursor on this, it is returning a parameter. So parameter.parameter.
Yeah.
I can connect this to this. What if I connect this to this? What will happen? Again, the same warning. Are Baba, I'm expecting parameter, but you connected an element.
The element. Okay.
You connected an element. See,
Okay.
and run the script. Again, it says parameter.value.expecting element input types parameter, but it is connected with family
the
instance.
Revit elements. Family instance.
Clear, no? Are you clear? So most of the
Yes.
warnings in the early days of your, in the beginning stage, you may get only two different set of. Either it will tell you, "Are Baba, I'm not a number type. I'm not a string type. I'm not that type." These kind of. Okay, that's a first type of warning. And the second type of warning is this: I was expected this, but you connected this. Clear, no, everyone? Is this clear? So I want you to make you understand these two set of nodes are very, very frequently comes since you are beginners. Is this clear, bro?
Yeah.
Remember these two set of nodes. Okay, and if you love warnings, you love coding. If you scare when you look at warnings, you will never become a developer. Understand? Is this
Just
clear?
one thing.
Come on.
Yeah, actually, I can see it says parameter value expects argument types Revit elements, but again it says but was called with Revit element. So it means we have given
Very
the
good,
correct
very
input,
good. Nice one. Actually, it's a nice answer. Nice question. We have to consider the last, after the last dot, bro. After the last dot. So you can eliminate the complete stuff. Revit eliminate. Do you remember we used to play a game called Flames? Huh?
Yes.
Correct? No? Let's play that game again to make you understand this concept. So delete, Control V. Okay, so you have to understand here. I know. Okay, so Revit and Revit,
Elements and elements.
elements and elements. Now
Okay.
finally we have parameter and
Parameter and
family
family
instance.
instance.
Actually, it is expecting the parameter, but you connected a family
But we're
instance.
connected with the family instance.
Okay, actual games apart, we have to focus on the last dot. So after the last dot, you no need to read this entire damn thing. Clear, bro? So you can
Yeah.
completely
Yeah.
eliminate this. After the last dot, what you have, it is the actual data type. You will come to know why is the last what it is exactly after the last dot in the coming sessions. Clear? There are a lot to cover. Huh? Clear? I think you're already over digested. Huh? Clear? Within the first day itself. So there are n number of tips and tricks in the coming sessions. I don't know how do you exactly write it, but make sure try to remember while you keep on writing notes by watching the recorded videos. One more, today you will not get the recorded video instantly since we have some things to be closed. Okay, only I mean not only for you, for all the batches. The first day video will be get with along with the second day video. Okay, because
Okay.
we have to finalize your emails and your some of the emails will not be worked, and again I have to cross check with your and come to you. If it is a new email, it won't work at any cost. If it is a public email, we will remove you directly from this uh, training completely. If it is a public email, okay.
Okay.
So these kind of things would be there. Okay, fine. So we have some personal, internal criteria on, video sharing. Okay, since it's complimentary, so it's not complimentary, you're paying for it, but it is not for the lifetime. It's only for the limited time. Okay, since you jump into the level 2, trust me, I haven't seen any of my students are going through the recorded videos again. And maximum try to attend maximum every day session. I mean, don't bring something in your mind like, that I haven't practiced yesterday's topic. Will I able to understand this? And try not to skip. If there is something in your mind, take it out. I'm teaching you the concept. Every day it's a new concept. I don't want to drag this concept to next day again. Okay. So every day it's a new concept. There is no link with yesterday's topic and with the today's topic. If you miss 2 days sessions continuously, you can happily attend the third day session, the next day session. Clear? Clear, bro? Okay. So there will be no complete link with the previous sessions. So that is how I have designed the training. Okay, fine. I want you to attend my sessions. Even though if you don't practice, I don't say anything. Seriously. Okay, if you stop, if you want, if you want me to ask, stop asking about our
I just
assignments,
one doubt.
I'll stop it. Clear?
One doubt.
Clear?
One doubt.
Come on.
I wanted to know, in case we're running late for something in the last 15 or 10 minutes, can we catch those assignments given out by you in a recorded session?
Go through with you. Anyways, you have the recorded video within the same day. Go with it.
Okay.
Okay, clear? Fine. So now I am connecting the parameter to the parameter and refresh it. Now it's giving me the parameter values.
Yeah.
Bro, you clear? Parameter
Yes.
values.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a task for, task today for everyone here. Okay. I'm going to share your PDF, take a printout and write down every single, thing, what you're exactly. So here area, which looks like actually 1 square meter, but the actual value is 0.542, 5428 and so. Correct.
Yeah.
And integer, there is nothing. See here, here I can't see
Empty.
anything,
Yeah.
but there is a value 0. Why? Because it is a number parameter, integer parameter.
Okay.
And this is a double parameter, and there is a value 0,
Yeah.
even though if there is nothing. Okay. So B string, there is nothing. B string, but here it shows
Null.
it's like null.
Null.
I know that is actually a string parameter. Null is a different set of parameter again. Understand?
Yeah.
Null is a different set of parameter. What if I entered a value for the same element, B string, I entered dnyn, yeah, refresh, hit escape, refresh. So I can see actually it is a string.
Yeah.
Correct? String data type
Yeah.
is something different and null it's different. Actually, it's supposed to play as a string, but it is playing like a null,
Okay.
which is very danger. Is it clear? No? So these kind of things we have to eliminate, which comes with an experience. Okay, bro? Fine. So calculate coefficient of utilization, 1. Category lighting fixtures, that is also fine. Cross check everything. Now, I want to know, I can see the values here, Rajesh. Why you're teaching me all this? I want to know the data type of it. So, parameter dot storage type. It's not a data type actually, it is storage type. So parameter dot storage type. From where should I connect again?
Elements
From
dot
where should I connect?
parameters.
Elements
Huh?
dot parameters.
Element dot parameters to the parameter.
Yeah.
Parameter.
And refresh, and it's showing me directly. Are Baba, if you want me to play with, if you want to play with me, let me remove this parameter value. Oh no, I'll just keep it somewhere here. Okay, that's for you. And parameter dot storage type. So one is actually looking like an integer, but it is saying it's a double.
Yeah.
Okay, so B integer, there is nothing, but that is showing it's like an integer.
Okay.
B number, there is nothing here.
Yeah, it's a
We
double.
can't say it is null, but it is double. The reason at the time of I create this parameter, it is a double parameter.
Yeah.
Double parameter. Am I right? So B
Yeah.
string is actually string parameter.
Yeah.
Is it clear? So don't see what is there in it. See at the
What
time
is the
of
storage
you
type?
create the parameter, you kept something, right?
Yeah.
It should be a boolean or it should be a string, it should be a number. So that is what actually which is showing here.
Okay.
Clear everyone?
Okay.
Is
Okay.
it clear everyone? Okay. So
Yeah.
category, it is element ID. What is this element ID? Rajesh didn't explain this. What is this
Lighting
element?
fixture.
We'll discuss this tomorrow.
Fifth.
Okay. So ignore the element ID for now. Okay. So circuit number. Actually, it is a 7.
String.
Oh, how come it is a string, bro? 14 is
Yeah.
an integer, no?
Is na?
But it isn't. It is a string. But why it is a string? Okay, we'll see that.
My
Circuit number.
selected type is a string.
Circuit number, it is 14. Okay, Rajesh, can we see the actual data types without using Dynamo? Yes, we can. Do you know how? Do you know
No.
how? Huh? I think
No.
you may not noticed earlier, but when I hover the cursor on the circuit number, what is it saying? See,
Built-in parameter.
there is a tooltip. Circuit
Text
number is a
parameter.
parameter name. Built-in
It's a text
parameter.
Yeah, built-in parameter, the text.
It's a built-in parameter and text. Text
Yeah.
means it is a string parameter.
Yeah.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
Clear, bro? Okay.
Yes.
What if when I hover the cursor on the B integer, it won't say it is a built-in parameter. It says project parameter.
Project parameter, because we
And it
created
is an
it.
integer.
Yeah.
Are you clear? So do you really need a Dynamo to read the data types of it?
No.
Is it? No. If you really want to play with the string, this parameter, you can say pick this element.set parameter by name. Correct? No?
Yeah.
And connect this to this element and parameter name, type whatever parameter name it is, comments. So when I hover the comments, when I hover the cursor on this, it is a text parameter. So
Yes.
I need
Text.
2 strings here.
String. Yeah.
Correct? Control C,
Yes.
Control V, one for parameter name and second
And
one
one
for
for the value.
simple.
Value.
Simple. Very simple. Correct? So B string, no, B underscore string I want to set Daniel. Colors, refresh. So hit escape because the element is selected. When I refresh, see?
Selected.
Oh, why is that? Why it is
I
like?
think
Huh?
maybe it's the name what you're given is not the right, no, on the string value below Daniel.
Daniel. No, actually, it's supposed to print Daniel here, correct? It's
Yeah, but
supposed
I
to
think we
print.
are giving the parameter something else in the model, no?
But why it is printing here? It means while you're trying to set any data, and if it is returning an element ID, it means your operation is success. Like
Okay.
green light, no? And
Okay.
operation theater, white light or green light. Correct?
Okay.
Operation success. So
Okay.
here, if it is showing an element ID, it means the execution as success. Okay.
Okay.
So that is what it is sent. See, Daniel, it's set.
Okay.
Clear, bro? It
So I
means
think now we have if you go to the undo option, I think we have done some
you
changes,
can
am I
see
right?
that
The string value.
transaction here.
Yeah.
See?
So previously it was Diana or something
If
was
you
there,
want,
right?
Come on. One doubt. Is it like whatever the value you provide, there will be a default value stored by that parameter, right?
Default value means?
You're actually feeding Daniel, and yet the that value isn't set.
It's set no here B string.
B string. But what about the return in the node?
This is actually, it means it's saying, I know execution success. If it is showing element, if it is not showing element ID, then it's a problem.
Yeah, his question is why is the node returning the family type name?
No, that's what I'm saying. When you connected 499,192, the reason you have old data here, bro. Old data. Now, actually what it is saying, Hare Baba, you have a new data now. Is this clear? This is an old data and this is a new data. So if there is any change in the data, it will print like this. We generally call it as a transaction. Okay, for example, I want to set something like instead of this, if I set a number, I mean, if I connect this to this and reset, it will not see, it will show you a null
Error. Yeah.
error. If it is success, then only it will show the element ID. The same type ID, it will show the same element, but with the new data. But with new data. Okay. So there will be a confusion, I understand, but it means which is actually when I connect this, not Daniel, this time I'll type Chandramouli. Okay. When I connect this to this and refresh, see which is giving you the new data.
But
there is a reason.
But in a few minutes away,
It
few
is
minutes
not,
ago,
bro, it is not extracting the information for your
is an
kind
action.
information.
It's
It
an
is
action.
not extracting the information to print the same Daniel value or Chandramouli value. It is an action. If there is any action placed, it will show the element ID in one shortcut. Is it clear? In one word, if it is giving you the element ID, it means there is a transaction placed. Clear? No more doubts on it. Clear?
Okay.
And there is
Okay.
another
That is
reason.
clear.
Then there is another reason which takes some time to make you understand. I'll explain you because we have a series connection, parallel connection. Why there is a old data, new data. I'll explain you. Even though I told you there is a new data and old data, but still you have that question in mind. That's the reason I revealed the magic. Clear, bro?
Okay. Yeah, that is clear. On that number which you actually input, a few minutes ago you mentioned that even if you assign a number to a string input, it would be valid, valid. But it's giving you a warning now.
Okay, fine. For example, this is a string parameter, bro. Let's play with the B string is a string parameter. Am I right?
Yes.
Correct? So strings in the sense it will accept. Let me write something here itself. I'll write one Ishak. Ishak 1, 2, 3, 4 and hit enter. So I can see the value Ishak 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Is it clear? What if I write special characters and refresh and refresh and then go and check again the same element? Is this clear? Is this clear? It
Okay.
means
Yeah.
a string can accept any other characters, either ASCII characters or numbers or decimal values or a
Okay.
alphabet, numeric values, anything. Is this clear? But you can't set the same thing in a number parameter.
Okay.
You can't set this to this. You cannot set this. Understand? Because it won't accept. And let me see. It's a returning null. It means there is no transaction, there is no action created. Is it clear? And if I check, the parameter storage type is not a string. It's clearly saying. Is it clear? So if it is a string parameter type, you can enter a number, but in a string format. Are you clear? Or you want me to show some more example? One more example. Huh? Are you
Got
clear?
it. Got it.
Clear, no?
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah.
See, very clear. One more, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm writing in a code block and connect this to this. And if I'm asking to write, it is executing BE number. In a BE number, it is taking 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear?
Yeah.
But what if the same code block, I'm changing this 1, 2, 3, 4 to string? Now the blue color text is a number and the brown color text is a string. If I ask to refresh, it will give you a warning. See, the parameter storage type is not a string. The same number, but the way I change the data type and try to connect. Is it clear, bro? Clear, no?
Yes,
Clear,
yes.
everyone? So
Yes.
if I change this to 4, 5, 6, 7 and entered, it is taking again because it is a number type.
Okay,
It's an
number type.
integer
Okay.
type. I connected an integer in an integer format. Worked.
Okay.
Clear, bro?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. So
So
finally,
code block will allow string text
we'll
totals.
discuss this code block later. No more confusions. Okay, don't discuss anything about, don't think about completely. Leave here itself. Delete last 2 minutes from your brain. Okay, we'll discuss this later. Okay, fine. So otherwise, even though you sleep, you will find the code block agented, you won't even sleep as well. Okay, so delete last 2 minutes. Now, what is
Rajesh,
your, yes,
shall I interrupt one quick recall? I missed, I think. So, without picking the run button, will this action transaction will happen every time?
Yeah, you from manual,
there is
maybe
a
you have to do
manual
it as
and
automatic.
No. Before you gave some example, so at that time I didn't see you have
there is a
run
shortcut
manual.
F5, bro. I'm pressing F5 here.
Okay.
There is a
I
shortcut
think it's
F5 here
it's a refresh.
to run. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm not running that. It means I'm using F5. I mean, you guys have to put your, index finger, left index finger on F5 as a habit. Make it as a habit. Okay.
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 Clear?
And
Okay.
one more thing is that right? If I state that we cannot do undo while executing Dynamo, we should be
No,
careful.
bro. Seriously, no. I'll show you. For example, I'll show you something. I have picked this element. No, I'll say element dot delete. I'm going to delete this element now. Huh? Shall we? So
Yeah.
when I just connect this element to this, and if I see it's deleted immediately. Okay. By mistake, I deleted. No, by mistake I deleted. If I just click on undo, element didn't come. Let me do that undo again. Nothing. Do it again. No, no, no. See, even though you clicked 1,000 times, that element won't come back. You clear? Because there is already a transaction placed here and you can't revert it back from the dynamo at all. Undo and redo in the dynamo are completely useless. Clear? Okay. So if you want to bring that element back again, just one click on the Revit. Okay. Earlier you have a 2 transactions. Now see, it's 1. Bro, clear?
Yeah.
Bro, clear?
Clear.
Okay.
Clear,
So
clear, Rajesh.
undo and redo is completely useless in Dynamo. So won't work. Okay. Good question. Fine. So
What
now,
about
fine.
the nodes which you connected? Can we undo them? No.
Undo in the sense that will be undo. That can. Actually, this undo and redo for the connections itself. For example, I moved this node from here to here. First one, second one, and third one. So 3 node movements were there. Okay. If I undo 1, 2, 3. Clear? And the connections, you can see the connections, nodes, connections, whatever actually written. The connections are keep on changing. Clear? So for this, I mean, I'm going to explain this in the interface concept. Don't worry. Okay. Good. So shall I explain your task today?
Yes,
Huh?
Rajesh. Yes.
Okay, fine. So just pick any element from your discipline. We are going to leave in next 5 minutes. Please stay with me. Okay, I don't want you to overfill in the day 1 itself. So element dot parameters. Play with element dot parameters and understand what it is actually here and how it is actually looks like. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm going to share your link sui.co/data types. This is in the PDF format. So pick any category, pick your personal category, like your personal discipline category. If you are from mechanical background, pick a duct or a terminal or something else. Huh? Clear? Then write variable name with which variable, I mean, for which variable you want to extract, to know the data type of it. So variable name, height, how it is actually looks like, then what it is actual storage type, not from this graphics, not from the parameter, not from this Revit properties palette, from the Dynamo. Is it clear? Because I want you to play with the Dynamo, not with this is your emergency cases. If you really don't have a time to understand and write the scripts, then this is the shortcut. Is it clear? But be friendly with the Dynamo first. Is it clear? In our training, we have 2 different strategies, traditional and shortcut, both. But if you ask me which is more powerful, traditional. Is it clear? Shortcut is going to simplify your work in less time, but traditional always saves. Clear? So I do teach both traditional and shortcut as well. Okay, fine. So pick the parameters and check what it is exactly. Pick any duct. See what is it actually horizontal justification. Write down in the PDF. Okay, I just picked a duct. Horizontal justification looks like a string. But what it is exactly here? Horizontal justification. Pick this element. Horizontal justification. FGH. Horizontal justification. 22nd number. This is called actually index number, bro. Index.
Yeah, okay.
Index numbers. Okay, 22 index number is integer. Integer. But it looks like a
string.
String, no? How come a string looks like will be an integer? Crazy. We'll see tomorrow. Okay. So sometimes we may wrong. That is actually not a string. It looks like a string, but it is not a string. And here this looks like a number, but it is not a number. Here in the mark parameter, for example, if I have a value 2547. This looks like a, okay, let me enter some random number. Okay, so this looks like array of duplicate mark values. This won't happen. Okay, fine. So mark value, it looks like a number, I mean integer, but it is not an integer control. So if I go and check mark LMN, mark 38 index number is actually a string. So this is the way, pick any element, one element or two elements, print as many as you can. Guys, there is no powerful weapon than a pen and paper. Understand? I mean, you must habituate writing, I mean, putting everything on a pen and paper. Especially you are going to create a scripts. So there is a powerful concept called flowcharts. Before you write a script, before you put, before you open Dynamo, first you have to write everything as a flowchart in a flowchart style. Then go and check with your coordinators or go and check with your fellow mates, like your team members. Array, someone asked you a script. This is what you want me to do? Yes. Put it in a flowchart. Or else if he's going to give any any additional conditions, put everything on a workflow. Then start making. And we are going to play with using artificial intelligence. Guys, it's going to give very lengthy documentation part. So the place only where you play without watching any YouTube, without watching any Udemy videos, nothing. Seriously, even though there are some sources available on YouTube and Udemy, but still, why did you pay that 45,000, 25,000? Why? You're not mad, because they're completely shuffled and there is no proper direction. And I've seen there are few guys who completely, saying that I can teach you Dynamo in 2-3 hours. Array, I'm not able to teach one single concept for 2 hours. How can you finish this entire course in 2 hours? It's very, very stupid. Understand? Last batch, it is 75 hours. Still, there is a one more session left. Do you know? Still, there is a one session left overview. I'm not able to take that. Actually, I mean, today is supposed to be, it's supposed to be for them. But I called you because at least this 2 days you will go and practice. Okay? Clear? Fine. So we'll discuss this later. First, finish this, print this. Where is it? Where is this? Print this PDF and type a category, duct category or ATML category, tray category, pipe category, whatever variable name and how it is actually looks like, and actual data type. Since you're already clear with somehow, you may, clearly answer it. What is it? So we have left Boolean parameter. We'll say tomorrow. It just matter of 5 minutes. We can see that tomorrow. And what is your answer? Is it right or wrong? Enter here. After checking with in the Dynamo. Is this clear? Clear?
Okay.
So this is your task.
So Rajesh, it means that we need to fill that form and we'll be sharing it out, or maybe we'll discuss it tomorrow. Am I right?
We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So note down why it is Rajesh here. I've checked why it is here. To get a clarity for you. Okay. See, if you eat our time, for the whole day, for the 2 hours, not a problem at all. But come with the questions, everyone. Clear?
Okay.
Clear? Okay, good. So don't want to take in more. Since it's the first day, we'll leave. Shall we? Is this session recorded, bro? Is this session recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Yeah, thank God. Okay, I
Yeah,
don't.
one more thing I just want to tell everybody, like most of the time what I see, like they are unmuted and they forget to mute itself. And I try to speak very less and try to let Rajesh bro speak out more things. Maybe much things earlier, but we are people say, like a lot of people see here, those are don't know even single basic things about Dynamo. So I think if we can mute ourselves, means it would be great for everybody to understand the things. So it's a request from my side to speak very less wherever required, and wherever Rajesh bro is asking questions or something like that, then only I think it's good to
do one thing. In such cases, you can drop a text in the chat box. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. And just put a note, just say something like, Rajesh, I have dropped something in the chat box. So if it is really relevant at that point of time, I'll answer it. Clear, bro?
Yes.
Okay. So Dave, data types. So you clear with the general programming data types, string and integer and double. Clear, everyone? You clear with?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Good. So we'll see tomorrow some dangerous parameter types. Element ID. Huh?
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
See you there.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night, guys. Good night. Thank you.
Someone is saying good night or
No, I said good night. Good night, guys.
okay, fine. Good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Good night, Rajesh.
Good night,
Good
bro.
night, Rajesh. Thank you.
Good night. Good night.
Thank you.
Good night.
Very good night, sir.
No, sir. Call me Rajesh. We are professionals. Call me
Yeah, okay,
Rajesh.
bro.
Yeah. Bro is super.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. Good night.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Hello. Yeah, Rajesh
Come
bro.
on.
Yeah, I just have one more question. Like, I already installed Revit. I have all the versions, like 21 to 26, all the versions. But the thing is, like, Revit, sorry, Dynamo is not working on that particular. I don't know why. Maybe it's a cracked version. That's why. Can we fix it?
What is it? It's not.
Not working. I mean, if I open the Dynamo means it's showing something like the nodes you are showing like in your system. It's not coming in my system.
No, it won't come because I have to share those packages with you. Don't worry, I'll share everything. Okay, it's not problem with the Dynamo or Revit. Okay, I have to share you that one. Clear, bro?
Yeah.
I'll share you. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. Good.
Okay. Thank you.
Good.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye. Good night. Oh, are you still recording?